delicious Goan prawn curry, and I am super excited about this dish. So stay tuned to learn how to make this delicious curry with me and learn some fun facts too. So what is Goan prawn curry? It's a tangy, spicy curry made using prawns, a variety of spices and coconut milk. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. For the curry, you will need 500 grams of prawns, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger finely grated, 1 curry leaf, a half a cup of tomatoes finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and some salt to taste. For the curry paste, you will need 6 large cloves of garlic, 6 red dried chillies, but I will only be using 2 so that it's not too hot, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, and 1 cup of coconut milk. Let's start with the curry paste. Step 1. Soak the desiccated coconut in 1/4 cup of water for 5 minutes. Then drain the water and set it aside. Now place all the ingredients for the curry paste in a blender together with the coconut and blend into a smooth paste. Then set aside. Goan prawn curry is a traditional Indian dish. Indian food is very popular all around the world and has long been a staple in the United Kingdom. Now let's make this delicious curry. Step 2. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil on a medium to low heat. Add the onion, ginger and the curry leaf and fry until golden brown. Step 3. Now add the tomatoes and allow them to cook for 5 minutes. Step 4. Add the chili powder and cook for 1 minute. Then add the curry paste and cook for 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens and turns into a deep color. Step 5. Now add the prawns to your pan. Oh, and I forgot to do this before adding the prawns. Add the teaspoon of sugar, and this is to reduce the tanginess. Then season with some salt and allow this to cook for 3 minutes. Did you know that prawns are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduces the risk of heart attacks and lowers blood pressure as well? Step 6. Plate up the delicious Goan prawn curry with some basmati rice. All done. Now it's time to taste. The spices are amazing, but I must say I should have added a bit more chili, but it's definitely something I try again. So delicious. That was amazing. Now I'm going to dig in and enjoy my Goan prawn curry. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious, fun and trendy recipes. Goodbye!